Okay, so let's take these two integrals, and I just want to show here the difference between the two. So the first one is you have the integral of x squared dx, and the second one is the integral of your 2 raised to x dx. So what's the difference between this one? So here you have a variable raised to a constant, and then this one constant raised to a variable. Okay, so the first one is quite easy. If you are familiar with your power rule, so if you have the integral of your u raised to n du, so this can be simply like u raised to n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. So that will be our general formula in the form of the integral of u raised to n du. So in this case, you have u, you have your n, so that means x squared, okay, plus 1, so that is 3, and then 2 plus 1 here is 3 plus c. So this is our answer for our first example of integral. Okay, the second one is, okay, it's a bit tricky. So e raised to x, 2 raised to x dx. So as we all know that we want to put this one in the form of e raised to u, okay, so that it will be a lot easier to integrate. So we can say that 2 is equal to e raised to ln 2. Okay, let's take that 2 is equal to e raised to ln 2. So substituting that one here, so that means you have e raised to ln 2, okay, raised to x dx. Okay, so as you can see here now, you have now e raised to x ln 2 dx. So if you substitute x ln 2 to u, okay, x ln 2, sorry, okay, then if you try to differentiate both sides, so du is equal to ln 2 dx. So therefore your dx now is equal to du over ln 2. Okay, so moving further here, so what you will have now is the integral of your e raised to u du over ln 2. Therefore, what you will have now here is, okay, so as we all know that the integral of e raised to u is equal to e raised to u plus c. So in this case, you have here now e raised to u ln 2 plus c, okay? But then again, going back to the value of e raised to u, the value of your u here, which is x ln 2, so that means e raised to x ln 2 over ln 2 plus c. Okay? But e raised to x ln 2 is what? It's actually e 2 raised to x. Okay? Since, yeah. So that means e raised to ln 2, that is 2. So 2 raised to x ln 2 plus c is our final answer here. Okay? So I hope you were able to follow this one. So more of this on our succeeding videos. Till next time, guys. Bye-bye.